I thought I'm not capable of romantic love. Love for family and friends, yes, but not the romantic kind. None of my relationships lasted. I thought I'm not worthy of romantic love. Loved by family and friends, yes, but not by a man. Until I met you. And then suddenly I became the most beautiful, the most special woman of all.
So beautiful. I want to do properly now.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Oh, I'm crying.
Yeah. I love it.
Tenermi la manica in maniera tale che il buco e io lo metto dentro. I would begin by describing those times when I navigated this crazy game called life all by myself. 5 years ago everything was chaotic, but something changed. I met you. Decisions are easier, everything moves slower, and even when things get harder, frantic and uncertain, you always manage to reveal the best part of me that I never knew existed.
Non ci arriviamo a dove sai. Ragazzi, che lo dico? No, veramente ti sposi, cazzo, io non ti coglione questa.
You are the plot twist I had stopped waiting for, but finally arrived.
Whoa. Whoa, okay, so I got it right.
It was a sword, yeah.
It was a sword.
This is the underreal, the flame of the world.
Okay.
Emanuele di Torino. I'm calling
E anche di Berlino, puoi dire.
E anche Berlino. I'm calling you the Knight of Piovera.
Wow.
You can raise.
Nice. Can I actually carry it during the ceremony?
If 5 years ago I'd known that I would be marrying you in this beautiful castle, I would have stopped worrying about the petty things that upset me, made me mad, and of course caused me anxiety. I think life will never get easier, but it's all about discovering what's really important. And I find it in you.
Every year, I love you more, and I promise to continue loving you. I promise to support you in all your adventures, be it searching for a new career, new house, or a new miniature to paint.
You are the strongest, brightest, and funniest person I have ever met, and I promise you'll have my strength when life feels too heavy. You have my creativity when life outsmarts you. You'll have my witty jokes when life makes you sad.
I promise to believe in you even when no one does, neither you nor Master Shifu. I promise you to grow as a person so that you always have a new chapter to discover. You are my guiding star, and I can't wait to become your wife.
Ora, per il potere conferitomi e in nome della legge italiana, vi dichiaro marito e moglie. Emanuele, puoi baciare la sposa.
Thank you to each and every one of you for making it here. We have done impossible. We have brought people from all over the world.
It was such a joy and a pleasure to see all of you eating, drinking, celebrating us, our love.
You are the main part of the celebration, so this toast is for you.